Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log in to the Bendigo bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.bendigobank.com.au and hit enter. After the home page of the Bendigo bank opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the login button, you'll be further directed to another page in which you will have to fill in your credentials. You will have to fill in your access ID here and then click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, and if you have filled in your access ID correctly, you will be further directed to another page which will help you to log in to the Bendigo bank. I hope this video helped you to log into the Bendigo bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.